Folks, Zach Murray here. Welcome back to the Murray Homestead, and today I want to do a really quick video for y'all. I watched a video last night that was probably about 15 minutes about how to coil up your extension cords. It's not rocket science, all right? Let me show you real easy. And I say it's not rocket science, and I'm trying to show y'all just a really quick and easy way to do it. One, it ain't rocket science. Two, you got other things to worry about on a job site. And if you're trying to teach the new guy how to make bow tie, you know, like weird origami out of your extension cords, you're wasting time and money, and they need to be focusing on other things. All right, so real simple. When you toss it out, generally you want to toss it with the male side out, that way nothing gets in those holes. Toss it out. Oh wow, it's straight, it's crazy, and I didn't do nothing wild, right? And you're just going to start with this end. You'll make a little coil. When you're coiling it, that end, because I threw it out, it's able to turn, so you're not going to get kinks in the wire. And when you're coiling it, just give it a nice little wiggle, a nice little, you know, do this with your hand. Give it a nice little turn, and you're just helping it make the loop. The loops do not need to be perfect. Bam, bam, bam. It's crazy, right? And you're going to take these two and put them together, and that's just going to help keep stuff from getting in there and help from getting the prongs bent. That's it. And you want to see the magic? It's crazy. It works. Y'all don't need to, you know, overthink this. All right, and if your loops aren't exactly all the same size, who cares? If you want it to look that pretty, fine. You can just kind of wiggle it like that to get them a little bit more even. And then this is a super simple hanger. All I did was take a piece of string, fold it in half, and then I put a little, I don't even know what it's called, one of these in there. That's it, right? So now whenever you want to hang it, and wherever you want to hang it, you just put it on your extension cord like that, pass it through itself, like that, and bam. Now you have a way to hang it wherever you want. And you can make this big and as small or as long or as short as you want. That's it. Super quick, super easy video. It's not rocket science. Quit trying to make it rocket science. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Thank you.